What I'm riding right now is a 2015 Honda CB300F. Has pretty much the same motor as the Honda CBR300, and as you can see, it's not stock. A lot of work was done to it. And in this video, I'm going to cycle through all the footage I got of all the work we did. So without making a super long intro, here we go.
Okay, here it is. It's just missing one thing, and that's the passenger seat. And I want to put it on real quick to test the lock to make sure that I put everything back correctly. So there it is with the seat on. Here's the thing though. I have this box sitting right here from Honda with what I would consider to be one of my favorite parts about this little project. See how it shakes around like that? I don't like that. So yeah, there it is. So this is the CB300F. Done.
Okay, here we go. Sounds pretty good. I've tuned the Quickshifter slightly. Pressure sensor delay is still kind of bad. I'm gonna adjust that real quick. Okay, so basically the shifter feels kind of hard. I'm going to adjust the cutoff delay to basically be 5 milliseconds. Sensor threshold. That feels good. Now let's try this again. Yeah, there we go. That felt better. Gear indicator works. Nice. So pretty good response from the Quickshifter right now. And the exhaust sounds crazy good. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Whoa! I went for my horn, and only thing I don't like about the CB300, the horn and the turn signal are swapped. Anyway, I ordered new bar ends that I can fit onto the bike without removing the bar weights inside the handlebar. Honda just makes it a huge pain in the ass to remove those, and it's In my experience, you do more damage to the bike trying to remove them than it's worth. It sounds so good. It's not raspy at all. So yeah, that concludes basically everything I'm doing to this bike. To give you a little bit more background, this bike basically rides like a giant Grom, and it's awesome. It's fuel injected, it's a great commuter, and it was really cheap. I got it for a great deal with really low miles too. All the mods together took me about a week of work, and altogether it probably took, I don't know, about 30-40 hours. Taking the bike apart, putting it back together. So altogether, not too bad. That's not a lot of time at all to spend on a custom project. Or everything I bought was like premium parts, so it made it super easy to install everything. Didn't really have any issues. I'm gonna do one more little tour here of this big windy hill I like to test my bikes out on. It is so handy knowing what gear you're in. I love the Quickshifter, but highly recommend only using it whenever you're putting power down on the bike. Ooh, you hear that backfire?